Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you some advice about how you can build a great learning management system website on WordPress. Learning management, membership, they're interchangeable. But what are some of the key things that you need to know in 2024 to build this quickly and painlessly? I think we've got some great insights. I've got some great insights. We will be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you're looking to build a learning management stroke membership website on WordPress. And that's a great idea because it offers the most flexibility. It offers the best value, and it offers the most ownership of your online business that's possible in 2024. So it's a great idea. But there are some key things that you need to understand that will make the process a lot more easier and get you up and running really quickly. So to start off with, WordPress, if the core of WordPress, you need to add some additional plugins to be able to build this learning management stroke membership website. The core of WordPress is a great starting place, but you need about 3 to 4 key plugins that will allow you to build this really quickly and painlessly to some extent. Now, the core of these plugins, there's 2 of them. Let's start off with, I think, you need a learning management system plugin, but you also need a website builder, a page builder to bolt on top of WordPress. Now, WordPress comes with a native page website builder called Gutenberg, and it has its strengths, but it has some weaknesses. The good news is you can add an additional plugin that will work with Gutenberg, and it will make the whole process a lot easier. Plus, there's 1 or 2 other options that don't utilize Gutenberg, but also enable you to build your website, your learning management system, your membership easy as well. So I'm going to start off with some recommendations there, and then I'm going to go into the learning management plugin solutions that you should look at, and then 1 or 2 other quick suggestions. So quickly, if you're going to use Gutenberg, and Gutenberg, one of its strengths is it's really quick, and it's really quick on mobile. And a lot of people that are going to utilize your learning management and your membership website are going to be on mobile devices. So it is super great for that. And that's Cadence WP, the free version. But if you can, I would go with the Premier version of Cadence WP. And it makes the whole process of building a membership website on WordPress in 2024 really a lot easier, and it's just super great and it's super speedy as well. So definitely, if you're going to build on Gutenberg, and it definitely has some advantages, look at Cadence WP. If you don't want to go the Gutenberg route, you've got Elementor. Now, Elementor has millions and millions of WordPress-powered website using it. It is feature-rich. It is a good page builder. The only qualm I would have compared to Gutenberg and Cadence WP is on the mobile side, where it can be a bit slower. Another possibility is a plugin called Breakdance. Now, if you're a DIY individual, I think Breakdance could be also a great solution to you, because it's really aimed at the DIY, the I wouldn't say quite the beginner, but the lower intermediate type what I mean is you've got some previous experience of WordPress. It could also be a great solution. But if I was looking at Cadence, if I was looking at Breakdance, I probably would want to go the Gutenberg route and use Cadence WP, to be truthful. That is my top one recommendation. So let's go on to the learning management solutions. Now, should you use a membership plugin or should you use a learning management system plugin? If you're just going to build one course and you've got no aspirations of really building multiple courses or building a real business in the e-learning space, I would probably advise you to maybe look at a membership plugin. But if you're looking to build maybe a real business, 1, 2, 3, 4 courses, really look at a learning management system if I was you. Now, if you want to go the easiest route, I would definitely look at Lifter LMS, because the reason I say that, it really is easy to build a fully featured membership learning management environment on Lifter LMS. And a lot of the functionality comes with the free version of Lifter LMS. And then if you need to sell your courses through Stripe, you can buy an add-on that will only cost you around $120 per year, and you'll be up and running. That's really attractive. Now, there are a couple other that I recommend, but the membership side, either you're going to have to pay a bit more, or you're going to have to jump through a couple more loops to get with what you can do with Lifter LMS a little bit easier. Now, the main competitor, there's two main competitors to Lifter LMS, that's LearnDash. LearnDash is really great as well. You got two options with LearnDash, because it doesn't really come with a really easy to use membership subscription solution with the core plugin. You can buy an additional subscription membership plugin from the same people that build LearnDash, or you can buy a third-party membership plugin that will allow you to sell your courses on a subscription-based model. Can you see there's just a few more steps here? Another really popular entrance is Tutor LMS. Great interface. In some ways, it's marginally more modern in look than Lifter LMS and LearnDash. The only thing with it is, if you're going to teach subscriptions, you've got to install WooCommerce, and then you're going to have a WooCommerce add-on that allows you to do subscriptions. So compared to LearnDash, there's one and another step on top. If you're dealing with Lifter LMS, you're really reducing the steps to the most easiest setup possible. And Lifter LMS and LearnDash and Tutor, they all work incredibly well with Cadence WP. And a side note, the people that own LearnDash actually own Cadence WP. So it's definitely going to work really well there. And it works really well with Lifter and Tutor. You're not going to have a lot of problems if you utilize these two core Lego block plugin solutions on WordPress. And I will personally, my personal recommendation is to use Cadence WP with either Lifter LMS or with LearnDash. And I think you're going to be a happy bunny. Now, when it comes to email marketing and marketing automation, you've got another great add-on plugin, a Lego brick, and that's Fluent CRM. And it's really a WordPress competitor to ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. much better than MailChimp, and it's the equivalent or even better than an Active Campaign. Active Campaign is a SaaS, software as a solution system. It's seen as one of the best out there, and it is really good. They have increased their prices to utilize their great technology over the last year considerably. Compared to some of the SaaS competitors to what I've just explained to you, you got Kajabi, you got Podio, you got a couple others. There's quite a lot of competitors out there, but in fact, there's only half a dozen that you really should look at. And with utilizing Cadence, with Lifter LMS or LearnDash with Fluent CRM, your power and your possibilities to do whatever you want to do and to make yourself future-proof are at a different level compared to these SaaS solutions. The power that you get for the price is just mind-blowing. So that's why this combination, these 3 core plugins, will make you a happy camper. I'm going to end the video here because I don't want it to be too long. I've written a great post. You find the link in the video description that goes into this with more options and gives you a lot more information. You'll find that on the WP-Tonic website. And like I say, you'll find the link to that post in the video description. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like the video, and why don't you think about subscribing to the channel? I'm making these type of videos every week to help you build a great course-based e-learning business in 2024. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.